The finch has lived on the Galapagos Islands for millions of years. It's small, often plain-looking, but it's an icon of survival. But during the harsh, dry seasons, survival becomes a brutal game. Seeds vanish. Insects disappear. Only the most resourceful endure.
Meet the sharp-beaked ground finch. To some, it's a common bird.
To others, it's known by a more sinister name, the Vampire Finch.
It has developed a taste that is unique and deadly. Highlighting the target. Its prey isn't insects or seeds. It's the lifeblood of giants.
It targets the blue-footed boobies, large seabirds that stand no chance.
This is a story of evolution's darkest turn. 5 weeks old. The nest is a memory, and the ground is a battlefield. His father shows him the way. Flip the stones, find the life hidden beneath. But as the sun bleaches the land, even the stones offer nothing but dust.
A beetle. A prize. A single moment between life and starvation.
Soon, he is on his own. The parents are gone. The drought is his only companion.
Competition is fierce. Every seed is a reason to kill.
The hunger became a physical weight, pressing down until even the air felt like dust.
He watches the others. They are breaking. They are failing. 6 weeks. The hunger changes him. It sharpens his mind as much as his beak.
He turns toward the coast, toward the giants, toward a new kind of harvest. He arrives at the cliffs. The giant seabirds are everywhere, indifferent to his presence.
He watches an elder. A quick strike to the tail. A drop of liquid gold.
It is his turn. He lands on the giant. His claws dig deep into the white down.
1 peck. 2. The skin breaks. The warm salt fills his beak. The giant stirs. He leaps before the retribution comes.
A new source of life. A secret shared only by his kind.
He becomes an expert. He knows where the skin is thinnest.
Back in the interior, the others die over dry seeds. He has moved beyond them.
4 months. He is stronger now. His territory is marked in basalt and blood. But a king must always defend his crown. An intruder approaches.
The duel is brief and violent. Talons clash against the cold basalt.
Driven out, he flies to the fringe, where the giants are fewer and the rocks are sharper.
He waits. Patience is a predator's greatest weapon.
He feeds through the pain. The blood of the giant heals the wounds of the loser.
There is a hierarchy here. Even among vampires, some drink first. He learns to strike back. He claims the scraps of the fringe.
8 months. The rain returns, but it's a ghost. a brief mercy before the real trial.
He sees her, a survivor like him, gathering the dry bones of the island to build a future.
A gift, a small tribute to ensure the lineage continues. Together, they weave a fortress in the cracks of the world. But nature is a fickle partner. She leaves as quickly as she came.
She finds a stronger mate, a bigger beak, a better chance.
No room for the weak. He is hunted from the heights.
Back to the shadows, watching the life he almost had. Desolate, the green dies, the dust returns. The cycle of hunger begins anew. He returns to the giants. They are his only certainty.
1 year. The great drought clears the field. Only the vampires remain. Desperation breeds new habits. A fallen chick becomes a feast. He defends what is his. The transition is complete. He seeks the weak. The giants are falling too. A passive victim. A world without mercy.
His source is his. Others try to claim a share, but he is the master now.
Final and cold.
The meal ends when the giant grows cold. The exodus. They leave the island to its hunger. A year and a half. He has survived what killed the many. He reads the patterns of the sky. He knows when the harvest returns. One after another, a sequence of survival.
His rock, his rules. The young must learn their place. The elder rival. She has seen as many droughts as he has. He waits for her to finish. Even a king knows when to be a scavenger. No room for errors. A mistake in flight is a death sentence. King of the basalt. Master of the night.
His beak is his tool. His eyes are his maps.
2 years. The survivor has become a part of the landscape.
The grip is familiar. The reward is certain.
But even the giant has a limit. A sudden, violent shift. He strikes at the leg, but the giant is unmoving. A stone upon a stone.
Suffocating and final. The air leaves his lungs. The darkness is not from the shadows.
The giant sits. The survivor has finally been outlasted. Life moves on. One death is just another mark on the rock. The island claims its own. Nothing is wasted. Final, eternal, erased by the wind. A story of blood and basalt returning to the sea.
He drinks until he is heavy. The giant can no longer shake him off.